Hey, how you guys doing? In this video, I'm going to be building my new PC, and I'm going to show off the new FPS I can get with it in a couple Bed Wars games. I might use some shaders toward the end of the video, so stick around for that. And once I'm done with the intro, I'll show you guys the build process. If you could hit that subscribe button, that would be great. And let's get into the build. I hope you guys enjoyed the building process. I thought I thought it'd be kind of cool to add in. So I guess I'm gonna just play a couple games of Bed Wars. This first one I think is just gonna be normal, because I don't know, I just decided it will be. Maybe the next one I think I might throw in maybe a shader pack or two. I have pretty good frame rate, honestly, for recording, and obviously I haven't recorded on this PC yet, so I'm happy. Well, what I was going to say, what I was going to say was that I'm happy that it's doing pretty well. I hope that the recording's doing pretty well, at least. Oh shoot, he got me with the trick. Can I get him? Oh, I can. Let's go. I'm not going to be able to kill him. Can I get him? Come here, Aqua, what are you doing? Where is he going? No. Oh, shoot. No way, no way. Yeah, get out of here. Goodbye, GG. That guy was pretty mid. But, I really like my PC. I don't know if you... I don't know if, like, obviously any of you guys know this, but, like, there's, and maybe you do because you clicked on this video just because it's about PCs, but, basically, graphics cards are on a shortage right now, so I couldn't get, like, the most top tier one because I actually built mine and didn't buy a pre-built, so, well, obviously, because I did the freaking, build montage, but, I wasn't able to get, actually, I think you can see, I got a 1050 Ti, so the graphics card isn't bad. It's just kind of like, it's just in between, honestly. I really want to get a new one, but I can't. Actually, what I was doing with the F3 was that if you look over on the right side of the screen, there's on like toward the middle of those lines, it says like it says NVIDIA GeForce and then the graphics card right there. And just if you didn't know, I already know. So the PC is very nice. It runs really smooth, like it's getting like 1000 FPS. Hopefully I can kill this guy here. Yeah, okay, let's go. Oh, I threw the emeralds off, didn't he? Oh, I got one. Okay, you know, this is better than nothing. But I knew he threw a good amount of them off. Shoot. Can I kill this guy? Probably not. Yeah. Oh, also, by the way, I don't know why I didn't really bring this up. I also have a new mic. You probably can tell compared to if you have watched any of my other videos. But yes, I have actually gotten a new microphone, which I love it. In the hand cam. Sorry, in the hand cam you can actually see it. It's right here. This is the base of it. I'm not gonna move it just because like I like where it sits right now, but I really don't need a boom arm for it. It's just I'm actually getting a new desk in a little bit, so oh shoot, my bad. No, oh, shoot each other. I know this guy's pretty good. Get the gap off, please. Okay, thank you, GG. I know he's pretty good, so I want to get him out of the game. So the other thing I wanted to say was that actually I shouldn't have probably voided there was honestly no need. I was kind of being extra cautious, but what I was going to say was that I know I haven't uploaded, and obviously I know I have 4 subscribers, so it's not like many people are watching these videos, but hopefully I can kind of, you know, gain a couple subscribers. Maybe this video will do well because it's on PCs. You never know. But basically, I obviously now I haven't uploaded that much. I haven't uploaded in at least a month. Shoot, this yellow guy's probably gonna need to go for my bed. I need to get this blue guy in void. But basically, I know I haven't uploaded in a lot. As you can see, like I've gone up at least like a good amount of stars. I'm gonna bank all this stuff. Oh shoot. Basically, I know I haven't uploaded. I get sidetracked a lot, by the way. If you're watching this if you're just watching this video and you've never watched any of my others, oh shoot. I get sidetracked really easily, but I have a trap, so I should probably be good. Unless he whips around and pulls out a KB stick. I don't think he's getting this. Yeah, get out of here, buddy. Oh, he did open it, though. That's kind of scary. What was I gonna say? Oh, yeah. So, yeah, that's how sidetracked I get. But, I'm basically going to hopefully start uploading a good amount more, on here, because I've had, like, on my... Well, I was about to say PC because that's what most like YouTubers say, but no, on a laptop, which it was definitely a good laptop. Like it wasn't even made for gaming, and in its peak, I could get like an average of 300 to 400 FPS, which doesn't really compare to like 1000 that I'm playing on right now. But you know, it's still better than it's way better than 300, but it kind of started dying out because I was using up a lot of the storage because it only had like 250 gigabytes or something like that. So it was kind of just because of that. I don't know, something about it. It kind of just, ooh, he missed that. Good thing he missed that. But something about like how I learned like something about how it was dying. It was losing storage. So, I couldn't, so it was kind of like getting like slower. Is he really gonna just suicide me? Oh, thank you, Gray. Thank you, Gray, for whatever reason block clutching right there. Save me ability to get this bed. I'm gonna bank the diamonds in the present because I would like those. And GG. Oh, his pro is high, but oh my god, I'm rich. Man just made me rich. But what I was gonna say was that I couldn't really be consistent because the the laptop, it was literally just a normal laptop, but oh, I did that play was really bad. If he drops, I can just KB stick him. But basically, the laptop I had wasn't the greatest. Honestly, can I kill this guy here? Oh no! Wait, what? Wait, why is he not? Oh, I don't want to lose this guy. He only has 1,000 beds. Okay, so hopefully, I don't lose this game. But I guess I'll just say the rest of what I was gonna say. The laptop wasn't very good, and it was kind of dying out. So I hit that. No way. So basically, I just couldn't really be consistent with it. It was just really hard to be consistent, because like my frame rate was getting really bad towards the end when on recording and off recording, and I had to use like really bad settings. Can I hit this shot? Oh, stupid flag is getting in my way. No way that ends it. You know, it would be cool if people took knockback. No way I win this. No way I win this. Let's go. I'm sorry I got quiet there. I was just really concentrating. Oh my god, let's go. Good game. I know I didn't really finish what I was saying, but I'll try and finish it now. Basically, I just couldn't really be consistent on there because somehow, like, literally, I couldn't even control. Some days the frame rate would be great. Some days I literally couldn't. I would literally be running at 60 FPS and nothing more than that. And I really had no clue why. So now I can actually like consistently upload videos, which is something I've really wanted to do for a while. My first rush isn't in the game. That's cool. I guess I can talk more now. But I just wasn't able to really be consistent because frames and stuff. I just didn't really want to. In my opinion, I don't know if this is true, but in my opinion, I didn't really think somebody would really want to watch a video that was in like 1080p. Like bitrate was super terrible. You could barely really watch the video. And obviously, if I'm a smaller YouTuber, nobody's gonna just watch me. Oh, that was actually sweaty. I know that guy's red guy is actually pretty good as well. But, really, bro? Really? You didn't even go for diamonds? Like, you decided to go for me first? Like, man didn't even decide to go for diamonds. Like, I don't do that. I go for... Is he gonna go for the bet? What is he doing? That's so stupid. Now this red guy is going for me. Okay, that was... Yeah. If you don't get flawless, okay, good. But he almost got flawless there. Oh, that scared me. Oh my god. Oh my god. But I can't. I really hate this game. I had to get double rushed. Like I couldn't even focus on red because gray had to rush me, which kind of sucks. But I'll do my best to clutch this game up. But I just didn't really ever have the time to record. Hopefully now, I mean, I don't know, like tonight the day I'm recording this, I didn't really have any homework at all, so I kind of just could, oh my god, like I literally clutched that in F5, what the heck. Oh, that was so scary. Again with the scary clutches, oh my god, I literally clutched that in F5. Jesus, that was so scary. But I actually did it. Huh. Maybe I'm a little bit better than I thought at the game. I don't know. But I don't always have the most time to record videos, so I'll try to get a video out. This video, I'm recording it on a Monday, so hopefully I'll get it out before Friday. Potions... What else? Honestly, not much by a diamond sword. Why not? Yeah, screw it. Okay, these guys are gonna fight here. That's fine. I don't really want to engage if I don't have to, because I like taking the most minimal fights I have to as a final. I can't just go past him because I don't have a fire. Oh my god, I almost had to waste a pearl because of that kid. Jeez. Wait, let me gap up real quick. I think I'll go in for red. I should have probably bought two pots, but 2 sets of pots. But I guess before I get too sidetracked, I just want to say I probably can't record. Honestly, if yellow's gonna get that bad, I'll just get yellows. There, problem solved. What do you say? B is why sweat? I mean, like, what? I'm not really sweating. I'm just trying not to lose the game. I know this yellow guy isn't that good, so I don't want to save my pots for him. If I don't have to. I mean, he's lower stars, so he's probably not as good. I don't want to waste my pots on him if I don't have to, because I only have 1 set, so... Okay, okay, got him. Hopefully he's middle and I can just get a quick bed break. Where is this kid at? You know, these are the things that scare me. It's just, where the hell could this kid be? Like, I know he's gonna have a trap. Oh, no, he actually didn't. I don't know. Oh, he's gonna fireball the bridge, isn't he? Oh, that's GG. Oh, he pearled out. Oh, he missed the... Did he hit the pearl? Oh, GG. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was actually a lot of fun to record. Because I haven't recorded in a while. So, I don't know. It was just really great. I'm gonna be more consistent, probably weekly. Hopefully twice a week, but I cannot hold to that, probably once a week. But if you did enjoy this video, if you could like and subscribe, that'd be great. And have a great rest of your day, and bye.